Dear student, in this video we will rounding of the number to the nearest 10, nearest 100 and nearest 1000, and then come to our main topic, estimation. Okay, so first we will round off this 64 to the nearest 10. If we round off it nearest 10, then what will be the answer? Its answer will be 60. And if I have to round it off to the nearest 100, then its answer will be 100. These things we have discussed in the earlier videos. Okay, now 79. If I have to round it off nearest 10, then its answer will be 80. And if I have to round it to the nearest 100, then its answer will be 100. Clear? Now if I have to round 267 to the nearest 10, then my answer will be 270. And if I have to round it to the nearest 100, then my answer will be 300. Clear? Now here 132. If I have to round it 132 to the nearest 10, then my answer will be 130. And if I have to round it to the nearest 100, then my answer will be 100. Clear? Same here. 274. 274. If we have to round it off to the nearest 10, then its answer will be 270. And if I had to round it off to the nearest 100, then our answer will be 300. Similarly, 143. 143 is to be round off to nearest 10, then its answer will be 140. And if it has to be round off to the nearest 100, then our answer will be 100. Now this is the number 21,397. Now I will round it off to the nearest 10, nearest 100, nearest 1000 and nearest 10,000 also. Now if I have to round it to the nearest 10, then it will be 2, 1. We will make this 0. We will make 70. Then and I will increase this by 1. If I will increase this by 1, then it will become this. Okay. Now if I had to round it off to the nearest 100, then my answer will be, I will take the 10th digit and its answer will be 21400. And if I had to make it round off to the nearest 1000, then my answer will be 21,000. And if I had to make it round off to the nearest 10,000, then my answer will be clear. In the same way, we will solve this question. If I have to round this number 27,807 to the nearest 10, then my answer will be 27,810. Okay, it is to the nearest 10. If I had to make it round off to the nearest 100, then my answer will be 27,800. Now if I had to make it round off to the nearest 1000, then my answer will be 28,000. Now if I had to make it round off to the nearest 10,000, then my answer will be 30,000. In the same way we can do the other sums also. So here we come to know that how we will round off the numbers. Now we start our topic, the estimation. Now what is the estimation? Estimation is by name, it means a guess. When we make a guess, when we estimate something, then it is called the estimation. When we are not sure that what exactly the answer would be, then we take its estimation, then we make some guess, and this guess is in general is called the estimation in the mathematics. Thus it gives us the rough idea of the answer but not the exact answer to a question involving operation on the numbers. It means if we are given some operation on some numbers, then we have to guess that answer that will be nearer to the actual answer. This answer would be the estimation of our answer. Okay, now we come to the problems. Now first question is, estimate the sum 64 plus 79 to the nearest 10. So we have to make it nearest 10. So we have to find the sum 64 plus 79. Now as we know, 64 estimated to nearest 10. Now we will round off 64 to the nearest 10. Its answer will be 60. Similarly, 79 estimated to nearest 10. Its answer will be 80. Therefore, 64 plus 79 estimated to the 60 plus 80, that is 140. This is the answer. In this way we will have to solve the question of estimation. Those are based on the rounding of the numbers. Now second question is, estimate the sum 267 plus 132 to the nearest 10. Now again 267 estimated to nearest 10. What its answer will be? 270. And 132 estimated to nearest 10, and its answer will be 130. Therefore, as 267 plus 132 estimated to the 270 plus 130, that is 300, and 100 400. This is the answer. So here we can see that first of all we have to round off the number as per the question required. 64 we round it to the 60, and 79 we round it to the 80, and then we apply the operation that is being given in the question. We have add, then get the answer. If in the place of addition there the subtraction is given, then we will apply that operation, that means subtraction. Okay, same is being done here. Now here the question is, estimate the sum 274 plus 143 to the nearest 100. So 274 estimated to the nearest 100. Then what will be my answer? My answer will be 300, as we have to round off 274 to the nearest 100. Now 143 estimated to the nearest 100. Now its answer will be 100. So our estimated sum 274 plus 143 is estimated to the that is 400 the answer. Clear? Now estimate the sum of these to the nearest 1000. Now we have to round off these three entries to the nearest 1000, and then we will have to add those rounded off numbers. Okay, so 21,397 estimated to the nearest 1000. Now it will be 21,000. Similarly 27,807 will be estimated to the nearest 1000. You can mark the symbol in place of writing the complete sentence again. So my answer will be 28,000. Now 42,505 estimated to the sum estimated to the nearest 1000 is 5, therefore 43,000. Therefore the estimated sum will be is 21,000 plus 28,000 plus 43,000. Now we will add and find the answer. 0, 0, 0 and 1 and 8 9, 9 and 3 12, carry 1, 4 plus 4 8 and 9. So my answer is 92,000. Student, in this way we have learned here that how we estimated the required operation in the mathematics by rounding off the numbers as per the requirement of the question. So thank you.